right away. Use the past simple.
How do we form the past simple of regular verbs?
We add ed to the base form to make the past simple of regular verbs.
What is the past simple of go?
The past simple of go is went.
Which sentence is in the correct form of past simple?
The sentence, "She ate the cake yesterday," is in correct form of past simple.
How do you form a negative sentence in past simple?
We use did not plus base verb to form a negative sentence in past simple.
What is the past simple of play?
The past simple of play is played.
How do we ask a question in past simple?
We use did plus base verb to ask a question in past simple.
Which of the following is a correct question in the past simple?
The sentence, "Did you see the movie?" is a correct question in the past simple.
In the negative form of past simple, which verb is used with not?
The verb did is used with not in the negative form of past simple.
How do you form the past simple of irregular verbs?
We use the third form of the verb to make the past simple of irregular verbs.
What is the past simple of have?
The past simple of have is had.